Hey everyone, welcome back to Bulky Software. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. Today, I have to discuss bulk marketing software. WhatsApp marketing refers to the use of the WhatsApp messaging platform to promote and advertise products or services, engage with customers, and build brand awareness. It's a form of that leverages the popularity and reach of WhatsApp to connect with a wide audience. Here's how you can use WhatsApp for your business. With WhatsApp Bulk Sender, you can reach your customers where they spend most of their time. WhatsApp. Our software helps you easily create, manage WhatsApp marketing campaigns, bringing your messages directly to your customers' phones. Bulk messaging. Send personalized messages to thousands of contacts at once directly from your dashboard. Auto replies. Never miss again. Set up automated responses for quick customer support and engagement. Campaign analytics. Track message performance, open rates, and customer interactions to measure your success. Seamless integration to supercharge your WhatsApp campaigns. Imagine sending all your bulk messages with just one click. Sounds magical, right? Well, it's super easy. First, get our software. It's designed to be user-friendly. No tech skills needed. Next, upload your contact list. Don't worry, it's as simple as drag and drop. Now craft your message. Make it catchy. Add images, videos, or even emojis. Personalize it to connect better with your audience. Got your message ready? Great, just hit send.